the new mitre gauge from New. Again, a tool supplied by Banggood.com. It is a very nice, well made, very precise piece of equipment. It has a locking calibration down here which moves you on a set increments of 5 degrees. Slacken, pull out the way and turn to where you want. That will locate it, without you having to look, it will locate it on the point closest to what you're aiming at. So if you want 0, you come down to 0, you push that in. Once you push that in, tighten it down. It's dead on 0. It is accurate to that. The markings take you down to 1 degree, but the preset calibrations take you down to 5 degree, which is more than enough for most of these jobs. Now, it comes with the T-slot with adjustable wings on it so that you can stop any wobble that you may have in the slot. I have none with this. It is beautiful and it runs nice and smoothly. This particular model comes with the rip fence. You can get it without the rip fence, you can get it just on its own. This one comes with the rip fence and the comb jointing finger, which is perfect for me. This is what the main purpose I got it for comb jointing on the router table, not on my table. My saw table won't do it because I'm on the wrong side. It is a panel saw table, so it's on the wrong side. So I got it for the router, which is set up beautiful for perfectly. I don't need one on my main saw table. On this one, I have the company's own rip fence for the sliding table, and I bought an Inca 120 for the mitre jig on the jointing side of it. I have this one for my bandsaw, which works very well for it. Now I'm not going to go comparing the new one with the Inca one because everybody's setting the standards on Inca, because they are two totally different beasts. Yes, they have similarities as far as it has a comb set there. This has a comb set there. This one goes down to 1 degree. But this is for cabinet making. Very, very fine cabinet making. This one has its jointing facilities. This doesn't. This, on its own, it came in at over £100 just for the body, without all this lot. This, as it stands with everything, I'm getting at £65. You're not losing anything in accuracy. You're not losing anything in build. You're losing it in name, if all. That's all. So, what you're losing in name, you're gaining in 50% discount on the price, and your machine and a piece of equipment that's going to do you well and do you proud. The grip on this, you're holding it by it. This, it's a screwdriver handle. I'm not going to knock it. It's okay. It does the job. But I like that. That's nice and meaty. And look at it. It looks impressive because of all of its brass. It hasn't got stickers. This is actually embedded into it. This is a sticker on it. I hope we got that sticker right. If they didn't, we have to adjust it. But yeah, so there is ups and downs. So I'm not going to compare the two. They are two totally different beasts. This is what I bought. This is what I'm showing you. This will do the job that I need it to do, which is a jointer and mitre fence solely for my router table. Ignore those that say you don't use a mitre fence on a router table. Of course you do. Just no outer, that's all. Right. The only downside I would say on this is it comes with a stop block. They didn't send me it. I should have asked. But anyway, so it means basically that I can't go any further now using this until I get back to them and get a stop block because when you're doing jointing, which is what this primarily is for, you need that stop. I know you use this stop as well, but you need that stop as well. Like I say, it comes from Banggood.com. I'll leave a link down the bottom, so if you wish, you can go and get one. And now, like I said, you can get it on its own, you can get it with this, you can get it with a stop block and all. I didn't know that, but you get it with a stop block as well. I believe they're all separate, and that's probably why I didn't get it. Now, the other good point at this moment is that Banggood have got a mega sale on. A mega sale. So, whatever I pay for this, you can get it cheaper. I'll leave you a link specifically for that. Now, that is only for 3 weeks. It goes from the 21st of June until the 10th of July. So, if you want one of these, or parts of it, get that link, get through to Banggood.com and get it before they run out. It's a good tool. Okay, right, well, thanks for watching. Bye for now.